Ema-Enik umngane wami ehamba nami eyothwala. Mina ngitshela ukuthi nje it's a road trip because vele uyakazi ukuthi ngiyayithandela imoto ehambayo. Kanti nje uyahamba uyolanda iy'lwane zakhe uhamba nami. Ungitshela sesikuphi ladledlani ngaze ngagileka. Till as of this day, i-trauma is within lalela girl story time. Yeah, ngibuzeni ukuthi kuze nje kwenzeka nje i-background story. Okay, sharp. Chomo uyangifonela, Chomo ungiphelezele ngiyazi uyayithandela i-road trip yabo izinto kanjalo. Ngithi mina Chomo I'd love to join but angeke ngize ngikwazi like angikho muhle emalini. Athi no Chomo don't worry, uyazi nje nawe ukuthi mangithi asami ngisuke ngithi asami. Ngithi mina Chomo ngempela athi yena yabo. Bese ke athi we're gonna be leaving on Sunday, which was very odd because why would you leave on Sunday because we got to work on Monday, yabo. Okay, sharp. Ngithi mina Sunday athi yena yes Sunday and then sizolalela ngakhona and then come back the next day because uyolanda kahle uyolanda imoto yabo. So ufuna mina because I know how to drive ngibuye nale enye imoto. Ngithi mina yebo Chomo uyangithemba bo because uyazi usokwa manje nginaimoto and for the fact that you want me to drive ibanga elingaka like WhatsApp athi no it's okay I just want you because I know what's going there. On our way there it's going to be vibe nje yabo. I'm going through a lot nje ngifuna umuntu ozongenza ukuthi ngihleke and stuff whatever. Ngithi mina ngeke Chomo. It cannot be possible because mina I have to be at work on Monday morning. Yabo ngiyokwenza breakfast phela. Osengenzela abantu breakfast nje. So I gotta pull through every day and then my Chomi was like, "House ngiyacela I'll pay." You know my language. When she said I'll pay, I was like, say no more. Kanti angazi ukuthi sengiyahamba ngiyaleka udwe leka ude sihamba mathafa. The girl it gets worse. At this point again I'm saying ngiyaqala ngiyambuza uChomi hayibo Chomi tell me more deals nje yabo zonke lezo zinto lezo. uChomi ke vele nje imali has never been the problem and another reason engivumile besides that she's going to pay me ngiyamazi uChomi uhleze ngibheja nje and she always almost bails me out of my money problems because ngiyangazi guys when it comes to finances sisi but asikho lapho. Okay green sharp hayi ngempela uChomi comes to pick me up yabo nje kwahlukile nje all the way that she's normally is but you are following. Okay, now I'm calling motweni. We will go to the garage, we get like yabo supplies for the trip. Yabo, I'm so excited guys. If you know me, I love drinking. Okay, sharp ngempela sisiluzo phuzani. Ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ngiphuza amaphanisi athi yena yazi ngikuphasela iJC lokho zeni emotweni wena nje ufuna amaphanisi guys you can never confirm me if festive manje ngiphuza ipint twist. So if you ever want to bring me something to drink ungifuyela noma amaphanisi makuthi awukho amaphanisi ungangithathela isavana but nje ngifuna izinto ezithi sikho lapho okay sharp ngempela ke nje idlala music angibuzi ngifuna ukudlala muphi music nje siyahamba ke manje angane uthi siyaphi angibuzi ukuthi siyaphi but nje wakade eshilo the way that the thing that she was saying I knew ukuthi kuzoba kude because wangitshela ukuthi the reason why you have to leave in the morning is because we're going to be driving the whole day and then bese sifike siyalala bese siyabuya futhi ngo Monday the whole day. Nami angibuzi izinto eningi. This is my Chomi man and Chomi got money, she pays for everything. Okay sharp ayisambe guy. So and then she starts to say usisli like I brought you here because I know ukuthi the decision that I'm making is a bit extreme and having you around I know you're gonna get my mind off things. I will not overthink and I just know how we fun. Saying what do you mean? As you understand once we get to the venue. I'm like aba ukuhlanyiswa imoto ke lo aba andimhoyi as long as sifika pha usendikhokhelile imali yami le yokuthi angiphele emsebenzini lelile girl. And then she goes on to say whatever that is going to happen when we get to the venue must stay between us. Na andicinga ukuba uyothwala pha andicinga okucinga eyonto cinga ba inoba uthenga i-second hand or inoba what andikho nje apho ndisemotweni mina noba ndizoba ndidriver xa sesibuye okunye nokunye andikucingi athi ndingaxeleli umuntu ndiba soze ngixelele umuntu manje ndithi xa ufuna ndingaxeleli umuntu kwakhona uza add imali athi Chris fine uza add xa sifika kwi-garage I add aba uChomi andimazi ba why ethwala because imali unayo vele anganoma beyovuselela noma beyothwala silindile kodwa nawe ungasube sesiphithiphithi so it gets worse ema nina cishe ngafa mina. Okay sharp ngithi mina Chomi khuleka your secret is safe with me and it's even safer now because ushaya ngama transaction ilokhuzana i-reference thiwa keep it between us like who am I not who. Keep it between us. Okay, sharp sihamba. And then she starts asking me stuff like how far would you go nje to have money? Qonda as far as I'm going with you right now, this is for the money, so you can see how far I can go. Yeah, well, she keeps on laughing. Nje kodwa ngibona ukuthi nje une stress. ulokhane ehleka ngala majoke lokhane ngimshana ngawo, because she already told me ukuthi yabo khona into embotherishayo. Mina always try to come through for my friends, shame, even though I'm not that one friend that's gonna hug you and say chomi kuzoba right. I just try to nje distract you, or okunye nokunye nje sisi uzoyibonela kwezakho. Okay, sharp green sharp Bible start drive. She asked me, are you not hungry? Ngathi mina ngilambile. Athi nje yena, what would you like to eat? Get me, as we can get anything. As you know, you need to tell me what would you like to eat right now. What is it that you like? Because this may just be the last thing we eat together, because I don't know how you're gonna react to everything. At this point, the drunk on band young flag, and this I came now the prawns. The tandy prawns, like we go to a restaurant, we have some seafood and stuff. Okay, sharp. Oh, she's not eating. I'm like, Chomi, why are you not eating? At this point, I don't even care. I take the food for myself. I pick it, we go. Just do not get freaked out. I know you're a drama queen, but whatever happens, do not get freaked out. And wherever that we're going, I'm a phone asali motweni. But I don't mind Chomi. At this point, I'm very corner. I don't mind anything Chomi wants me to do, you know. And nano go to Chomi akazi angenzele izinto engaqondi. So at this point, ndino Chomi. Uchomi umane funa undiwonisha mina caba andiwoyanga kokuwoya ethu. Hayi ngempela ke masifika nje mina ngithi mhlambe simasifika nje sofikela some sort of a garage noma nje a scrap yard mhlambe siyothatha imoto watha edinga ukhando angazi hayibo masingene sithabatha somuzi ngesayi mhlambe ihlobo zakhe zangala sekuyintamba manje mhlambe ihlobo zakhe zangala mhlambe sisicela sisilale kuzona. Hayibo kule sithabatha somuzi abantu baningi bagqoka ama uniform mawufika akhulunywa girl shothi usetshela ukuthi what's going on. Mawufika lapha ufika uvula ilokhuzane uvula ibhuku bese uthika igama lakhe ngazi wenzaleni ngazi kwenzakaleni esathika leyo nto ke mina ngiphindele emotweni because I needed to get a jersey. It was really cold. I was feeling cold. I think bekuvula ama aircon. That house was strange. Okay, hawuhambi emotweni mase ngibuya uChomi angisamtholi. Hayi qonda ba ndipopole lento ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bafika babhale bese bathi hayi ngalandela lo muntu mangilandela because awusekho sekukhona all round abaningi nje yabo ngiyalizwa ukuthi ngiyabonke manje ke nje ngathi khona izinto ezinje mawubona isipoki okusukwenzakalani kanti angibuzange elangeni. Okay sharp ayithiwa sisitake a seat. Ayina ngempela ngithatha iseat bese kuyabuza ukuthi unaliphi ibhizinisi ngithi nayi kusho ukuthi uChomi bese batshelile ukuthi ngidayisa ama sandwich usenama sandwich. So okay uzothatha intwalo yanike uzothwala ngamagundane noma ufuna isikhwama nani kambe lokho kwathi noma ufuna inyoka. Hayibo ngidakiwe nje ngivele ngiqhephuka. Thiwa asisikhathi sokuacta la uzothatha intwalo yani ubukhulume nobani ku WhatsApp. Hayibo ngithi nayi ngiphelezela umngane wami solanda imoto kuthiwa simusuku-actor yabo right now awekho ama-cameras akho kanjani ngicela ukusho ukuthi uzothatha intwalo yani. Ila ngibone khona ukuthi abantu ba-serious and abantu la bayathwala bonke nje because khona izinto engingazizwa kahle. Caba ndiyamqalaza umngane wami andisamboni caba ndim ke ngoku uzothwala.